So let's be real. Most young adults don't even know what a credit score really does. And yet, that number silently decides if you'll drive your dream car, buy a house, or pay thousands more in interest. Scary, right? The truth? It's not about being rich, it's about being smart. Today I'll show you 7 proven hacks to boost your credit score fast. And if you stick with me until the end, you'll know how to go from credit invisible to financially unstoppable. Let's dive in. Hack number 1, pay on time, always. Sounds obvious, but listen, payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. One late payment can haunt you for years. Think of it like showing up late to an interview. Do it once and they never forget. So set reminders, automate payments, do whatever it takes to never miss a due date. Hack number 2, keep your credit utilization low. Here's the secret most people ignore. If you use more than 30% of your available credit, lenders think you're desperate. So if your limit is $1,000, don't carry more than $300. Want bonus points? Stay under 10%. It shows you're in control, not drowning. Hack number 3, become an authorized user. No one talks about this enough. If your parent, sibling, or even a trusted friend has great credit, ask to be added as an authorized user. You don't even need to use their card. You just get the benefit of their good history. It's like borrowing their reputation, legally. Hack number 4, don't close old accounts. Even if you don't use a card, keep it open. Why? Because the length of your credit history matters. A 5-year-old account makes you look stable. Closing it is like erasing your financial track record. So unless there's a crazy annual fee, let those old accounts live. Hack number 5, mix it up. Credit isn't just about credit cards. Having different types of accounts, like a credit card, a student loan, maybe a car loan, shows lenders you can handle variety. It's like a financial resume. The more skills you show, the more they trust you. Hack number 6, dispute errors. This one is powerful. About 1 in 5 people has a mistake on their credit report, and that mistake can cost you thousands. So check your report regularly. If you see something wrong, dispute it. It could add points to your score instantly. Hack number 7, ask for a credit limit increase. But here's the trick, don't spend it. By increasing your limit, you automatically lower your utilization rate. It's like telling the system, I can handle more, and then proving it by not maxing out. Now I know what you're thinking. Okay, these hacks sound simple, but do they really work? Yes, I've seen young adults go from a 580 to a 720 in less than a year just by applying these. It's not magic, it's consistency. Before we wrap up, let me connect this to something bigger. In one of our last videos, we talked about how credit cards really work, and why most people get trapped by them. If you haven't watched it, go check it out after this. Because understanding credit cards plus these hacks, that's your shortcut to financial freedom. Quick recap, always pay on time, keep balances low, piggyback on good credit as an authorized user, keep old accounts open, show variety in your credit, fix mistakes fast, raise your limits but don't raise your spending. Your credit score is not just a number, it's a gatekeeper. It can either lock you out of opportunities or open doors you didn't even know existed. So don't wait. Pick one of these hacks and start today. Your future self will thank you. If this video gave you value, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs this. And trust me, we're just getting started. Financial literacy isn't a topic, it's a revolution. Welcome to Poor is the New Rich.